Hello everyone, and welcome to the Little Blue Fly. In today's video, we have a bit of a switch up in today's video. We will be decorating here in the front entryway of the cottage. We were supposed to be working in the living room, but something, the unexpected happened. Into the tens of thousands unexpected happened here at our home, and I'll show you just a little bit what took place, but then we're gonna go ahead and finish decorating. We'll have fun with some decorating adventures here. I love this area of our home because it's always so whimsy and fun in the entryway, with all of the different fairy tale friends saying hello to visit us. But right now, they are all off the wall. Everything is off because I had to take everything down. The house was still is just everywhere where it should not be. But again, we're going to get more into all of this as the video moves on. So that being said, let's begin. Shall we? And here we go. So, this little Rudd right here, this little piggy, he couldn't go to the market because he's dead. He died. And all of these cables and wires have to be replaced because bottom line, this Rudd right here, everyone, he's crud. So, out with the old, in with the new. Okay, so again, I will go further into detail in an upcoming video, but pretty much we had a very unexpected bill happen. The unit upstairs went completely out, and that just doesn't work because the babies have to stay nice and cool, right? Especially Riley going through all of her surgeries and then the recastings every week. It's important that she is nice and comfortable. Okay, so here I like to use the Murphy's cleaning product on my for my wood. Well, one of the items I use. The 2-tier table is a Facebook Marketplace find, and these are still in circulation out there. Just put in like a 2-tiered decorative table, and I have come across a few of them, some $50, others $75, and the mirror behind it is a Bassett mirror. And I'm doing all of this explaining. Many of you have been here for a while, so you know where I have purchased these pieces. But for all the ones that are new, we need to catch them up, right? Okay, so this tall brass lamp is from Ballard Designs. The lamp is a black linen shade. Actually, the shade is. Going around it, I wanted a little bit more detail. So I purchased some metal ribbon that from Hobby Lobby and painted it gold. I have a video on this, a few of them, where I use gold paint and I paint over my metal, and then I use an aging glaze and age the metal so it's not so shiny. And that's what I did here on the lampshade. I placed a tray underneath the lamp. What I'm trying to do here a little bit is set the stage, because starting next month in August, fall decorating happens. I have to get an early start on things because it takes a while to get through the home with decorating ideas for all of you. So this tray did come from Target. I love the color. Then I placed in this just darling. Oh my goodness. Berry and it's like a, not an ivy leaf, but just a berry and leaf basket that was a huge find. What did I pay for this? I don't remember. Was it $5 or $10 off a Facebook Marketplace? And here, Truly Scrumptious has come along to play with us today. My fun ducks haven't really, my friends haven't been in too many of the videos lately because I've been working so hard bringing the sunroom and living room into their new beauty. So I thought, let's go ahead. Let's bring them in today. In today's video, do a search for vintage wooden ducks, and you should find yourself a few of them. Different colors and styles. But again, her name is Truly Scrumptious. A nice, rich buttercream yellow. And she just tucks perfectly right inside of the basket. And again, on top of the radiator, I have my wooden bowl. I don't remember where I purchased this from. I do apologize. But I'm trying to set the stage just a little for fall decorating. Down below on the bottom shelf of this stand, that's where my hydrangea normally is. But I decided just to move it for right now. I just felt like a change. So I'm placing it over here to the side. And we'll just see how it moves around. I decided to place my tall, very heavy wrought iron stand here in the window, and I believe this is going to be its forever home. I absolutely am loving the look and feel here, although if you notice right there, I chipped the paint, but that's okay. I'll go back, I'll touch it up. I used a basket as a tie back for my curtain. Next, I placed in one of Robin King's wonderful designs up front. This is her B plate. For those of you that might be interested, if you go to Robin King Designs, I will link her in my description box, and you go looking. If you find yourself a treasure, make sure when you check out in the coupon box, put the little blue fly, and she'll make sure to give you a kind discount. This is her B Plaque. Because right now the bees are just busy everywhere in our gardens, our flower gardens, our vegetable gardens, and they're truly our friends. Okay, off to the side, I went ahead and lifted up the hydrangea, placed it on a book, and then also have my beautiful golden vessel here to the side with its door opened up, waiting for new treasure. And we'll see what that is. I will be sharing in the closer look what I decided to put in my beautiful golden vessel. But here on the stand, I used some vintage blue and whites to put in some of my Swedish ivy starter plugs here. Love decorating out of the vintage dishes. It really gives a beautiful touch to the home. So if you have some vintage cups, or go find some, go thrift some and put some plants inside, it's wonderful. Okay, this is for the new ones here at the channel. This is called a quiet box. That's right, a quiet box. This basket was purchased from Pottery Barn some time back. I believe these are now discontinued, and it's sad because this is such a beautiful basket. And what a quiet box is, it's a collection of different items that you love. When you go to take some time for yourself, some quiet time, you have this box, a quiet box. This is a vintage puzzle. Look how thick the pieces are. This was a garage sale find. It was the gentleman's puzzles when he was a little boy. The color in all of these are just beautiful. You have a cowboy here, little boy with his trusted friend. And again, a quiet box is just a collection of whatever it is that you find comfort in during your quiet time, away from everyone. This is a journal that I have yet, because I've been so busy, to start journaling. Now, I will get to it, I will, but for now we just have these wonderfully aged empty pages. And this journal can be purchased in my Amazon storefront, and I'll make sure to leave a link for that as well. It's all leather, it just wraps around, and then the key just tucks into the little pocket here. This is a wonderful treasure, and I cannot wait to start journaling someday soon, right? And then I have some fall magazines because look, autumn is right around the corner. So looking for that autumn inspiration. This piece here, it is kind of dark today, so I'll do my best so that you can see it. This is a kaleidoscope. A woodwork, well, let me see, let me get it out right. In California, many years ago, we were at a craft fair, and this man just makes his creations out of wood, and this is one. It's a kaleidoscope. See, I can't get it in right into focus, but I do have some videos where it is. It's a cloudy day out there today. It's just different. But I thought, how creative. He just used this glitter stick. You turn it around as your peeper is looking through the little hole, and you have a beautiful kaleidoscope. I mean, how gorgeous is this? And I love finding these unique pieces. It has its little protective case, and this right here, because when I get in my quiet box, I tend to take a little bit too much time, and 9 times out of 10, I do get lost. I do lose track of time and where I'm at. So this right here, it is in my Amazon storefront again. I've had these some time. This is something to help bring me back for when I get lost. And it is a fabulous brass compass. You know, to say, okay, Bev, you have to come back now. There's things that need to be done. You've had enough quiet time for now. So I have these quiet boxes all around my home. And if you haven't made one, I highly suggest that you do, because they are fabulous. And this looks like an eyeglass case, right? For my eyeglasses. So the children will never look in it. But it really is not. It's for my sweeties. And as you can see, I normally have chocolate in here. It's gone. But I have Tootsie Roll Pops. Loved Tootsie Roll Pops ever since I was a little girl. I'll always love them. Frago's Market in Atwater, California. When I was a little girl, I would go in there and Mr. Frago would say, Bevy, if you find the Indian that's shooting the star, I will give you a free lollipop. And I was always such a good girl. I would never just unwrap one and see if it had it. And then if it didn't, I'd put it back. No, I was honest about it. So here we're going to unwrap one because I want to see if we can find an Indian. I give these to my children all the time. If they find one, I tell them now, though, I'll give them $10 if they find an Indian with a star. It went from $1 to $10. And look, there is an Indian. Wouldn't you know it? If the children see this video, they're going to say, no fair, Mom, you cheated. That Indian right there in that upper corner, that would have given them $10. And it cannot be cut off. It has to be the whole Indian shooting the star. And it's very rare finding these. I have several wrappers because one day I'm going to make a picture with all the wrappers that the children have given to me, my friends, their children, just for a wonderful memory on how it just brought a smile to everyone's face to find the Indian treasure. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and next video we will be back in the living room.